everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha. So guys, today is Sunday and today is supposed to be a Sunday reset day. So this reset routine was something that I have been doing like for a long time. When I was living with my parents also, I used to have a Sunday reset routine, but now a lot of things have been added to this because I have to do a lot of things on my own, like buying new groceries, doing the laundries and doing the kitchen chores, and a lot of other things have been added to this. But anyways, we're gonna do everything together. So for today I have a couple of things that needs to be done. So firstly, I need to clean and organize my space. Then I have to do some skincare, which is a must have for my Sunday, because I do my skincares only on my Sundays, because rest of the week I have to put on a lot of makeup and other things. So Sunday is supposed to be a no makeup day, and I just do my skincare, take a very relaxing shower. Then I have to buy some groceries because my refrigerator is almost empty and I just have something to have for my lunch. And then I have to plan for my next week. I do this every Sunday. I plan for my rest of the week, so I don't have that confusion what needs to be done on Mondays, Tuesdays and any other day. Okay, so we will do the planning for the week and all these things together. So first on the list, I guess we need to do the cleaning and organizing things. Also guys, Sundays are supposed to be a rest day also. So what I do, I wake up literally very late. Like I wake up around 11ish on Sundays, and right now I just had my breakfast and that's all I have done for the day till now. So it's mid-afternoon kind of a time, and I guess we should get started with our work now. So guys, this is the condition of my room right now.
Ugh, brother, ugh.
So we need to change these sheets also, and I need to just declutter that area. And yeah, let's get started with this. So guys, all the task has been done, all the organizing and cleaning kind of things are done. So right now I'm just oiling my hair because I'm prepping myself for some self care. So basically I'm gonna wash my hair, take a good shower, and then I'm gonna do something for my face, maybe a face mask. And yeah, after that we're gonna have something because it's almost like eveningish kind of a time. So we're gonna have something, and after that we have two more tasks to be done. And this is also something that I have been doing like since so many years. Sunday is supposed to be my self-care day. So earlier when I used to live with my parents, so that time I didn't have a lot of cleaning kind of a things. I just had to like clean up my room and that's it. And rest of the day I just used to do my self-care, body care, do my nails and all those things. So it used to be very fun that time also. But now I have like some more responsibilities that needs to be done, but still I cannot miss out this part because this is very necessary for my like Sunday ritual. I don't know, I'm like oiling my scalp like after so many weeks. I have been oiling them because I already get a lot of sweat because of the weather. So I usually just skip oiling my scalp, and I was just using a hydrating shampoo, but it just messed up one day because I have to go to an event, and all the oil didn't come out of my hair. So I'm now just avoiding using that shampoo. But yeah, today I'm just oiling my hair and we're gonna use some different kind of a shampoo. So I think I'm gonna just try out the Pilgrim one because I haven't like tried it yet. So we're gonna try that one out. guys, I just feel so relaxed after this shower, and yes, almost 80% of the work is also done. So now I'm gonna make myself something. So I'm planning to have some coffee with peanut butter and bread, and I'm gonna have that, and then we're gonna go and get some groceries. Okay guys, so we are going to get our groceries, but before that I just wanted to tell you, like, lately I have been avoiding having my veggies. So it's like after 2 weeks that I'm having this grocery shopping thing, because like lately I was not feeling well and the weather was like very different. So I was just kind of avoiding having any kind of vegetables, and I was mostly on the pulses and some other things. So today I'm gonna stock up some of the vegetables because I'm actually bored having a lot of pulses and other things. Okay, and other than that, I will be buying some of the basic kitchen things that I require. For example, my peanut butter is over, so I need to get that, and some other things are also there. So we're gonna figure out what all we need to get. So let's go. Guys, I am back home, and the weather outside was really very bad. I was like literally sweating, and मैं बस wait कर रही थी कब मैं वापस घर जा सकती हूँ, because seriously, like, I am not kind of person who sweats a lot, but if I'm sweating, that means the weather is really very bad. It's so humid, there's a lot of heat. I mean, I cannot survive outside or without the AC. This kind of weather it is. Anyways, we have made it to the end. All the tasks for the day are done, and now I have to do two things. I have to plan for next day, sorry, next week, and yeah, obviously for the next day also, and for the next whole week as well. And then I will be doing some journaling as well, because I just love doing that on Sundays. I cannot get some time to do it like every other day, but sometimes I do, and I feel so much better. And also write down some self affirmations, like positive self affirmations. So now I'm just gonna have my dinner, and I will just sit back, relax, watch some movie or something. And yeah, that would be the end of my Sunday reset routine. So guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I will be coming up with such kind of vlogs in the coming up days. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and like this video, and we'll meet again in the next vlog. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.